Welcome guys, today I'm with the VIVO X80 Pro and I'm going to show you a few camera tricks. So at the first we are going to start from the standard photo mode, and as you can see right here we can focus on the zoom at the first. So we can switch simply for the ultra wide lens 1x, 2x and 5x. But if you want to go a little bit closer, so you have to click on already selected preset, and as you can see right now you got this slider. And with this slider we can very smooth zoom in or zoom out. As you can see, when you go over the 20, we'll get this preview in the left upper corner, and you can zoom in to the 16 times. And by the way, this quality is actually not good and it's out of the focus, so it doesn't look good actually. I can tell you that I test other phones like S22 Ultra, S21 Ultra, or for example the Mi 11 Ultra, and when I try to use this big zoom feature, like for example over the 50x, it was in the focus. I mean this object was in the focus, but right here it looks really bad, and I don't know if it is some kind of the bug in my model, but it's not looking good. But yeah, if you are wondering how we can zoom over this normal presets, right here we can make it by clicking on this already selected preset. Also we can make it by pinching screen with two fingers like that. It's still working. Okay, so I think that right now we can smoothly move for the brightness adjustment. So we can just tap on the screen once, and with this option, as you can see, you can decrease or increase brightness level by moving this sun icon like that. To make it automatically, you can just tap on the screen once. Another option that will be probably useful for you, it's right here. So as you can see in this place, we can find different filters. As you can see, this one for example gives us more contrast and the saturation. It looks really nice for me, and you can find here a lot of different presets. You can pick for example this one, take photo, and with this slider you can also adjust the strength of the filter. As you can see, that's the difference between 1 and 100 value. If you want to go for the original look, just click right here. Right now we can also use the volume buttons that we can find right here. So when you click on the volume up or volume down, as you can see, you can take photos. So it works like this shutter right here. You can also click and hold and you will take series of the photo. We can take 20 photos in each burst shot. You can also do the same with this shutter. So it's pretty cool. Let's go forward. We can for example open the settings where we can add delay to our shutter between 3, 5 or 10 seconds. Let's pick for example the 3 seconds, click on the shutter, and as you can see, after this time, after this countdown, the photo will be taken. Another option that will be useful for you, it's another stabilization. So it uses this gimbal camera, the gimbal lens right here. We can turn it off right now. There is also this framing lines, it's also called the grid lines. As you can see right now, they appear on the screen and they help us to take better composition on the photos. Right now we can smoothly go for the main settings, and we can find them right here by tapping on this arrow. And as you can see, when we are here, we can find for example the micro gimbal calibration. If it is not working properly, I can recommend you to use it to recalibrate, for example, if you have any problem. But let's go right here. We can find for example shutter. As you can see, we can find a couple of the options with taking photos. So we can use touch screen, we can use our voice and saying cheese, and also show the palm of our hand to the main selfie camera. So let's try. Right now let's click on the shutter, I mean on the screen. As you can see, the photo is taken. Right now let's try this voice option, cheese. As you can see, it works really smooth, no problem with the voice recognition. Even my English is not good, as you can hear, so it works good. So that's definitely good. good thing. And I think that that would be all from the settings. We can also enable the camera watermark, so if you want to show the model of your phone on the photos, you can make it by enabling this option, and as you can see, the VIVO X80 Pro marking appears on the screen. So it's time to move forward to the more modes. For example, right here we can find a very useful mode. It's called the... Oh, I just disappeared. No, it's right here. It's the dual view. So the dual view allows us to take photos with the two cameras at the same time. So I just hide my selfie, but you can simply record video or take photos with the same cameras at the same time. So with the rear and the front camera, you are also able to change this. Wait a minute, it's not right here. Okay, it's right here. Okay, so we can change the theme of this preview, so we can get the selfie camera bigger and the rear camera smaller in the corner. You can also change shape. We got 3 options, and that's also some kind of the boost, the beauty boost for the selfie camera. And there is also the high resolution mode. I'm gonna show you the comparison between this one and the normal mode. So for example, we can focus on this old cell phone keyboard. Okay, the photo was taken, and right now we can do the same but with the normal mode. Let's take a look how it works, how it looks. So as you can see, that's the photo taken with the normal mode. We cannot spot a lot of details right here on the keyboard. It's not visible, but with this 50 megapixel mode, as you can see, it looks a little bit better, but honestly, it's not like the best quality. I can even tell you that in the phones like Redmi Note 10 Pro, which is definitely much cheaper, you will get more details than this one. So it's not actually the good point of this camera. I'm talking of course about the high resolution mode. And yeah, what I can say, that's all useful tricks that I want to show you. Of course, you have to remember that these are my favorite settings and useful options from the smartphone. If you have any other useful features, I mean, if you find any other useful features, you can give us the comment. And yeah, that's all. If you find this video helpful, just remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.